Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. In this video, I'm going to talk about Exitus Elite and why I believe it's an 8-year business done right. And all I can say is the number one reason is our owner, Paul Stevenson. He's been putting this company first and us members for close to 8 years now. It's going to be 8 years this summer. And he just announced that we're going to get a huge update. He's going to announce it this month, and it's the biggest update he has made to the platform in 8 years, so since it's begun. So we're going to get that update soon. And Exitus Elite also comes with all the training, all the training that you'll ever need to find success online, and it's all updated training. We're always updating the training, so there's no reason why anyone can't succeed in this business. And the only thing that you have to do is take the action necessary that you need to do to promote your business, to promote Exitus Elite. We're talking about between $100 to $2,000 instant commissions you can make in this business. And I'm not just saying this just to get sales, but the economy is tough right now, and just even getting $100 or a $250 instant commission to your bank every week would be huge. And we get to choose how we get paid in Exitus Elite. So if you want to use PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, I use PayPal and Cash App to get paid in Exitus Elite. And all I can say, it is a life-changing business. I've done over 40 videos of this opportunity now, and I'm not stopping. But all I can say is Exitus Elite is the best affiliate offer that you can do in 2020, because you know it's a success. It has a track record of success. It's been around for almost 8 years now, and people are still getting paid. So all you got to do is just take the action that you need to. There's no such thing as a get-rich-quick opportunity. Everything takes work, but if you're dedicated and you keep taking consistent action, then you'll start getting the success that you want. But it does take some work. And I'm not going to lie to you guys. I'll never lie to you. But I just say it as it is. Even if what I say you don't want to hear, I am always going to tell you guys the truth about what I believe about Exitus Elite and affiliate marketing in general. So if you want to join Exitus Elite, the link is in the description below. And you can also subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you'll get notified when I upload new content. And I'll see you guys all in the next video.